got some shit, fixed some shit, made stuff simple. Yeah, everybody breaks these. We gotta rip some money out.
Because I had only cut my side. I wanted to make sure I didn't cut too much off.
Catching the gas tank on fire, you were just like that shit was funny. Damn, so you guys made a plate? I see the plate. Yee! That stick good?
Mm-hmm. That's done.
Sheesh. And then
Dan only caught it on fire, what, twice?
No, it was like 7 or 8.
Did it go through?
You only knew about 2 of them.
It was on fire? Or you caught on fire?
Like the whole time. There's glue on the back side, bro.
It's the glue on the back side. It's like
That
the...
shit was like...
Oh, was it scary?
It's like,
dude.
It's the factory undercoat and shit. It's gonna do it in your strut towers too.
I owe you a 10-second car.
Well, we also realized you have like some sort of shield on the bottom.
Shield?
Under the gas tank.
Yeah, there's a shield under your gas tank.
There's like
A shield generator.
plate or something.
Because he
Underneath
came really
of it,
close to
I-
using the fire extinguisher.
I was like, I can't see anything but this plate.
I was
I don't know what the look, come here.
Dude, I'm not gonna lie. It was a small moment of panic.
Oh.
Pure, sheer terror.
There is like this. I don't know if this is the tank itself.
Yeah, that's the tank.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. It was just the gas tank.
Well, that part wasn't on fire.
Oh, yeah.
Shield? Oh, gosh.
Oh God!
It's like more over the rear axle, so
That sounds sketchy.
it wasn't as sketchy.
It's not as bad like catching shit on fire, but like
Catching
watching
shit on fire
fire
next to a
drip
gas.
and knowing your gas tank is catching it is like.
Dude, I'm bummed it started
No,
raining.
I think there's another.
This is fucking trash.
More if we have to. Overnight parts from Japan.
Noise and just to get fired up. You give me that feeling and you leave me tied up. You can get it if you need it. Say you can get it when you need it. Said I need noise and just to get fired up. You give me that feeling and you leave me tied up. You can get it if you need it. Say you can get it when you need it.
Thomas.
I was trying to see if my side fit. Because I had only cut my side. I wanted to make sure I didn't cut too much off.
Was fucked up. Once cut 2 dicks off. Yeah, that's right.
Alright, so like...
This is exactly the spark I needed. I'm gonna cut my dick off.
No, you can't just cut your dick off.
Come on, show me your dick.
I got my dick! Becky! I got my
Metal in their count. I know that's gotta be illegal.
They got the exhaust.
Yeah. Well, they pull you over, and he's like,
We'll come.
Well, you know why I pulled you over here. Like, what's the guy in it? What's the LS? Oh.
Like how I kicked it in sooner, so it fits in that like. Sticker on there, bud.
So I mean, like
He's more of an ABEC 3 kind of guy.
But I mean, like, that's how the way is set up, bro. He can go out there and just clutch kick at the wall, flip, and just walk.
I kept losing power steering and going straight.
Yep. There was